Hello, everybody. I want to talk to you today about creating your customized website for your Plexus business. So with Plexus, with your $34.95 purchase, you get a website domain, which consists of either plexuslim.com/ your custom name, or I think it's shopmyplexus.com/ your name or domain or whatever you pick. But sometimes it's a really long domain, and we want to make it really easy for customers and potential ambassadors to shop and join our teams. So we've done something very simple, and that is create your own customized website that will forward to that Plexus domain. So I want to walk you through how to do that. You can use any domain service. I prefer GoDaddy. I've got an account with them. And let's just say that I'm going to find a really simple website that I want to use so that when Jen meets somebody on the street and they want to buy products, she can just say, go to Jen Mango's Plexus, or we'll just keep it simple, jenmangoplexus.com. So I just type that in the search field here, and bang, it's available, jenmangoplexus.com. So I'm simply going to select this, and they've even got a special if you do a 2-year registration, and we usually like to do that. We find good deals selected. And now I'm simply going to scroll to the bottom here. It gives me all sorts of other options, or maybe not. And I'm going to check out right here, continue to cart, bang. So GoDaddy likes to sell me all sorts of other things. So you can simply say no thanks. You don't need to protect its privacy. Again, it tells you here to scroll down to the cart. So we're going to get there as quickly as possible and continue with these options. And hopefully the dogs barking don't bother you. Okay. And we don't want to do it for 5 years. So there was $2.99 a year for the first year, $4.99 for years 2 and after. So let's see if it lets us do 1 year, just for giggles. And let's see what that price looks like. So $11.99 for 1 year. If I do it for 2 years, that price changes to only $17.98. So you can see that there's a price break there. So I'm going to go 2 years. So $18.34, and then I simply would check out, proceed to check out, etc. Really simple, right? So I've actually already done this. So now what you do, after you buy this domain, you're going to manage the domain. And you're going to simply do that by going over here to domains. We're going to click on that. We're going to, I take it back. I'm going to go to right here to manage my domains. And I'm going to set up what's called forwarding. So in concept, we're going to take this new web address and we're going to forward it to our Plexus address. That way, when people go to jenmangoplexus.com, it goes to her Plexus given address. So here's an example. We've got all sorts of domains here, but here's philsplexus.com. I'm going to click on that. And you can see here, as I scroll down, that it's got all sorts of information you don't necessarily need to worry about. But all we're going to want to do on this domain is make sure that we forward it. And right here, you can see under forwarding, it's forwarding to shopmyplexus.com/mango. So the web domain I got from Plexus was mango. Pretty simple, right? So now I tell people to go to philsplexus.com, and that will take them to my Plexus address. So let me just show you how that works. Pretty simple. I'm just going to type in philsplexus.com, and bang, it forwards to shopmyplexus/mango. This is what customers see. Here's my information. Now they can shop now or they can join. Much simpler to do, and that way you can control your business cards and you can control your message and you can get things to people much easier. It's a much simpler address to remember. Last thing I'll share with you as it goes back to GoDaddy, before you go to checkout, make sure you do a quick search of GoDaddy coupons. So for example, 30% off new products, no minimum. I just copy this code, and before I check out, I put in the promo code for February. Every month, every week, they've got different promo codes. use those, make that price even cheaper than the $18, it would likely be more like $15 for 2 years. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, you know where to find us on our team page.